guys, how you doing? Hope you are well and keeping warm in this winter. So today I will be taking you through the process of my skin prep step by step. So let's get right into it. So to begin with, I will be using my EFfACLAR as my face cleanser, using my cotton pads to wipe my face. So after cleansing my face towel, to clean off, so after wiping my face with my face towel, I'll be going right into my face serum, my vitamin C. Get your neck, guys. You can always neck whatever product you are using on your face, try and take it down to your neck. When you're doing this, guys, just give it some few minutes, and after then I'll be going right into my face oil. So while I'm rubbing my face oil on my face, I'm also massaging my face subsequently, as you can see. So after applying my face oil, I'll be going right into my face moisturizer. Moisturize my face. As you can see, I'm patting the product right into my skin lightly while I'm also massaging my face. Guys, as you can see, I'm patting my products right into my skin lightly. Remember, whatever product you apply on your face, don't forget to rub it on your neck, take it out to your neck, and you can also use the rest on your hands as well. Sunscreen. Don't forget your neck, guys. Okay. So that's it. Using the Vaseline on my lips to moisturize my lips. So last but not the least is my hand cream. That's it, guys. So what's your favorite skin prep product? You can drop it right down below in the comment section, and I will see to that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It motivates me to do more. All right, I hope you like it. Don't forget to stay warm and stay hydrated. See you in my next video. Bye.